Have you ever thought about growing fruit trees indoors? It may sound like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and a little bit of patience, you could be enjoying fresh, homegrown fruit from the comfort of your own living room. First, it's crucial to select the right tree. Not every fruit tree will thrive indoors, so it's important to opt for varieties that are known for their ability to adapt to indoor conditions. Dwarf varieties of citrus, fig, and olive trees are often the best choices. Next, consider the pot. It's not just a home for your tree, but also a crucial aspect of its growth and development. The pot should be large enough to accommodate the tree's root system, but not so large that it overwhelms the tree. A pot with adequate drainage is also a must to prevent waterlogging. Now let's talk about the soil. Indoor fruit trees require well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. A mixture of peat moss, perlite, and compost often works best. Remember, the soil is the tree's source of nutrients, so it needs to be top-notch. Lighting is another important factor. Fruit trees need lots of light to produce fruit. A south-facing window is ideal, but if that's not possible, supplement with grow lights. Watering is an art in itself. Too much water can lead to root rot, while too little can cause the tree to dry out. The trick is to water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, but never let the pot sit in water. Feeding your tree is also vital. Use a slow-release fertilizer specifically designed for indoor fruit trees. Follow the package instructions carefully to avoid overfeeding, which can cause more harm than good. Pruning is the final step in the process. This helps to shape the tree and encourage fruit production. Remember, each cut is a signal to the tree about where to focus its energy, so prune with purpose. In summary, growing fruit trees indoors requires careful selection of tree variety, the right pot, well-draining soil, adequate light, proper watering, regular feeding, and thoughtful pruning. With these steps, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor all year round. So, if you've ever dreamt of plucking a ripe lemon from your own tree while you're sipping your morning coffee, why not give indoor fruit tree care a try? It's not as difficult as it seems, and the rewards are well worth the effort.